was a recent study done with Silva Method graduates. I think about 4,712 graduates. They did a survey of how they felt when they came into the course, right? They did the survey again 6 months later, and then they did the survey again, I think it was a year later. And I'm just going to give you general numbers because I don't remember the exact number and I don't want to make the exact number. But what they discovered was that they took into account 3 different things. Number one is how many medications is the person consuming or taking before they came into the course, okay? And on average it was something like 3 or 3.5, just over 3. The other thing that they checked was, what do they feel their energy level like, right? And it was kind of on a scale of 1 to 5, and somewhere the energy was just over 50, okay? And the third part was, how did they feel in terms of their purpose in their life? Like, did they feel that they have a clear goal, that their purpose was clear, that they knew where they were going? And again, somewhere the result was somewhere around 45–50%. After taking the course and doing the survey a year later, so 365 days after they started the course, the survey showed that the participants had decreased their overall medication by more than 50%. So from 3.2, I think they were taking, on average, they were taking 1.5 medications per day. Okay, so a decrease of over 50%. The second part was, how do you feel, right? Like your energy level, what's it like? After 1 year of the course, the participants still felt that their energy level was over 75%. I think it was just under 80%. So they felt like they were, 4 stars out of 5 stars, as opposed to about 2.5 stars a year before. Okay, so they increased their energy level by 1.5 stars. Okay, and finally, in terms of purpose and goals and where they're going, clarity of what is important to them in their life, again, the results came out, and we'll show that, that the results came out that, again, they were at the 4-star level. So they were clear. Even a year later, they were still much more clear about their goals than they were before. So absolutely, the Silva Method will help you in all these areas. You'll feel better just by practicing the techniques regularly. And it always comes back to that, is just by taking the course and doing it, you're going to feel better, and it may last a year. But if you practice it just once a day for 15 minutes a day, right? 15 minutes a day, we can make the time, or you can find the time to do so. By practicing that just 15 minutes a day, you will see a dramatic improvement in all aspects of your life.